procedure for both rear sway bar links will be the same, whether it's the passenger side or the driver's side. I'm going to use a 14mm wrench, and then we'll use a 5mm hex socket. We're going to prevent the stud from spinning. Just put that in the center there. Okay. Just loosen it up like this. And if it's still spinning, what you can do is take some locking pliers. And put it on the back side. I'll take it off this way. There we go. Take that nut off. Slide that out. I'm going to do the same on the top. That's going to go off this way. I'm going to turn this around. And the same 14mm socket. Take this nut off. And just grab the link and slide it out. Now I take the new link, line it up in the sway bar, and down below in the control arm. Get the nuts started. And using a 17mm wrench on the stud and a 15mm socket, I'm going to tighten these down. Do the same for the bottom one. Now I'm going to torque this to 22 foot-pounds. Do the same with the top one.